Hi, welcome to the Metal and Wood Shop. We're located in room 1211 at the Student Innovation Center. Here, we have some important safety protocols that we need to follow. We have a line here, and you have to have the proper PPE or personal protective equipment to cross this line. What we require in this shop is closed-toed shoes and closed-heeled shoes, long pants, and safety glasses. If you have long hair, it's a good idea to tie it back. Long sleeves, you should pull them up. Also, remove any loose or dangling jewelry such as watches, necklaces, and rings. And if you have strings on your sweatshirt, tie them or tuck them in. We ask that you scan in on our card readers and tell us why you're here. On our website, you can find a list of restricted materials, so as you're planning a project out, you know what you can and can't use. All of our tools in the shop have a designated safety level, and those levels correspond to the level of supervision that they need and the risk those tools provide. We also have everything locked, so when you come in, you need to talk to a shop supervisor and get the tool unlocked so that you can start your project. We look forward to seeing you soon.
This is the tubing cutter found in room 0235 of the Student Innovation Center, which is also known as the Heavy Metals Makerspace. This machine is used to cut, clean, and deburr tubing and pipe that is between a 1/2 inch and 2 inches. This cutter cannot cut hardened materials, bent or crimped tubing, or square tubing. It is a safety level 2 machine, which means that in order to operate the machine, 2 trained users must be present. This can be 2 trained friends, a user and a makerspace assistant, or a user and a shop supervisor. Plan your cuts in advance. You will need at least 2 inches on either side of the cut to contact the hold downs. Use a marker, scribe, or other marking tool to plan out and mark your cuts. If your tubing has tape, glue, thick oil, or other residue, you will need to use a solvent or cleaner to remove the residue before cutting. This is the on-off switch. This is the operation handle, which lowers and raises the cutting blade and hold downs. Place the tube you would like to cut in the gap between the bottom guide rollers. Bring down the operation handle and visually check for cut alignment. Pull down the operation handle until the hold down rollers are in contact with your material, but the cutting blade is still above your material. Never start the machine with the blade in contact with your material. While holding the handle in place, reach over and turn the on-off switch to start the machine. Inspect your tube for several rotations to look for misalignment or movement. Slowly bring down the blade to make contact while maintaining a firm but even pressure. It will take time to complete the cut. Your other hand should be on the front handle of the cutter, holding the machine in place and bracing your body. Once the cut has finished, maintain pressure on both halves of the tube using the handle while shutting the machine off. You or a partner can grab the tube, lift the handle, and remove your material. You can now use the attachments on either side to clean the outside, inside, or deburr your part. You will learn more about these operations in hands-on training. Throw away any scrap tubing into the metal recycle bin.